I'll show you in the quick way how you can change the time zone on TradingView. Now from your TradingView website here, tradingview.com, you just want to scroll down and then you want to find the full screen, full chart view here. Just click on that to launch the full chart. Now on the full chart here, just wait for everything to load. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so it's easier for you to see. Now you want to look on the bottom right here, right? The 11:43:18 UTC. Now, if you hover over it, it'll say time zone, right? So of course, this is the one we want to change. Just click on that, and then you can see this is what all of the time zone that's available, right? So San Diego, Sao Paulo, Arosi, basically everything, right? So UTC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to UTC 13 here, right? So if, for example, if you live in Sydney or in Tokyo or in Singapore, Shanghai, Perth, just search, just click on that, and that's it. Now your time zone has been properly adjusted to what you currently live on. So for example, Perth, Manila, Kuala Lumpur, I want to change the time zone to match my current city, which is Kuala Lumpur, which is this, and there you go. Now my time zone has been properly adjusted with just a simple click. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.